Welcome back, everybody, to our chatbot building tutorial series where I teach you how to build your own custom chatbots without the need for code. If this is the first video you've watched, a link to a playlist of all the videos so far is going to be in the description. So, for this part, we'll be talking about AI generated responses. So, up to this point, every time we respond to the user, it's hard coded, meaning we thought of a script and then we type it out. It's not dynamic. So, for example, when we welcome them to the website, we drag over a text block and we can say, "Hi there, welcome to Triplelanes," something along these lines. So, you have to come up with the things to actually say. So, what if you have an outline in your head of what you want to happen, what you want to say, but don't want to come up with the actual word for word response? So, for this example, we do want to welcome the user to the website. But before we type in our prompt, let's go to prompt settings. And here you can select from a couple of AI models. For this one, we're just going to use GPT 3.5. And here in the system, you basically want to describe the persona of the AI. So for this one, we can say you are an assistant on a website or service called Triple Lanes. You are friendly, approachable, but always straight to the point. So basically, with this, you're describing what the AI should be, who the AI should be. Embody this description whenever you're trying to respond. So now let's set up our prompt. So instead of typing out the exact words, all you need to do is give the AI a prompt. So for example, we can say, "Welcome the user to the website," and then offer help. Let's run this one. And there we go. Welcome to Triple Lanes. How can I assist you today? Again, this is entirely AI driven. We didn't type any of this. Now, you may look at this and say, "This is so simple. Why do we need AI for it?" Well, this is just a basic example. From here, you can extend this and do clever things. So, for example, let's say this website is selling like winter gear or a ski resort. We can just modify the prompt to say, welcome the user to the website," and make a joke about how cold it is, and then offer help. So let's try running this one. There we go. Welcome to Triple Lanes. I hope you brought your winter coat because it's colder than Ice Cube's heart in here. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through this truly virtual world. How can I assist you today? So again, this is an incredibly powerful tool. Another example you can modify this is let's remove the the winter thing, and then you can simply extend this and say, "Welcome the user in French to the website." So let's run this one. And there we go. A French greeting, a French welcome to the website. Let's do one more example here. Let's say your website is under maintenance. So let's say the prompt would be, "Apologize to the user. The website is under maintenance. Tell the user to come back tomorrow." Let's run this one. There we go. "I apologize for the inconvenience, but our website is currently undergoing maintenance. We kindly ask you to come back tomorrow when it's up and running again. Thank you for your understanding. So this is really powerful. Even the length of the, if you don't like this response because it's too long, what you can do is you can just modify the prompt again and say, keep the response short, 2 sentences maximum. Let's run this one. There you go, shorter response this time. Apologies, but Triplelanes is currently ongoing maintenance. Please check back tomorrow for access to the website. Thank you for understanding. So all of this is under your control. It really just depends on how good your prompt is. Sky is really the limit with this one. This is straightforward but a really powerful tool you can start using for your chatbots. If you found this video helpful and the entire series helpful so far, leave a like, subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.